do you mean we don't have the SD9? I had it all. What are we going to do? I got an idea. I'm going to go here, and we're going to go here, going to go here, and then I'm going to say here. You said an SD9, right? SD9. Go ahead and add that. And we're going to Nashville, right? Okay, good. Search. Look at that. 3 companies that have got it. Tell you what. We can do something similar, right? If they don't have the SD9s. Okay, we'll go ahead and choose that. I'm going to go here. Go here. I'm going to get requests from them. Now we're going to say... And you said it loaded in on Tuesday, right? Okay. All right. Let's see what happens.